see red light and then it counts down? Can you see it?
Mhm.
That's when it's taking the video.
Other way, we need a photo.
Hi. My name's Angela. 32. I like cocks. Your turn.
My name's Paul. I'm 19. And
I like
and,
cocks too.
I like cocks.
I like cocks
Especially-
too. As in two cocks.
Especially a nice boy's cock.
There's nothing to eat in this fridge. Right? Well, let me show you. There's nothing, right? That's fucking olive oil. Who wants that? That's just orange. That's some shitty dressing. That's, I don't even know what fucking that is. That's some tube of shit. Yeah, looks like a big nipple. That's tomato juice. That's cold slag.
That juice is nice.
Cold slag and potato salad, right? That's alright if you got something to put it on. That's Branston pickles, which is shit. That's prawn salad, which is very shit. In my drawer, we've got this fucking... So what about fucking...
No, it's nice that, you like that.
And then I've got top side of beef. And then I shut my drawer. I've got
Stella.
alcohol. Excuse me while I bend down. I don't even know what I've got in there. I'm just being bummed right now. And then I've got some
Other things. Hello.
Huh?
Hello.
Anyway, what's that alarm in there? I've never heard it before. What is it?
It's like John, fuck off. That's what the alarm means.
It's the alarm to tell John to go to bed. Because he's rubbish at karaoke.
Come on.
Is that it? Oh! We've still got nothing to eat, have we? Can you get this away?
What would you like?
Here we go.